Arke Morales creates some space against Daniel Cito. David against Yambao. Quickness advantage, Japet David. Now Jojo, he has the size advantage against Japet. He creates some space, he gets blocked, but his own mess. David, shot fake, kick out pass to Chen Pascual. And Pascual, no look pass from Chen Pascual, but he hasn't cleared it yet. Good presence. David, rhythm dribble from the corner. All net, all wet for Japet David. Butron, step back. The 2-pointer is good for Mr. Automatic. Butron stops. Butron, the reigning king of the court. As Jojo Yambao gets the rebound. Yambao muscling his way inside. Butron sets his feet, lets it fly, and gets the 2-point. Quick shot for Harold Butron, and there's a whistle now against Alonzo Tan. Foul on basket there. Yambao clearing some space, and he gets called for an offensive foul. Kamayan ba yan? David from 2. And Japet David. Yambao backs down David. Yambao against 2 defenders. Yambao puts it up. And Yambao puts it in. And one play for Jojo. Yambao, 1-point lead. Arke spins away from Yambao. What a move for Rama Krishna Morales. Alonzo Tan from the corner. Good response. Jojo against Chen. He loses the basketball. Inside pass. Good pass. Basket counts. And players need to be separated here. Hopefully, cooler heads will prevail. There you go. Ano lang yan? Season against David. Despite the contact, Morales gets away, and Morales finishes. His pass goes to the wrong man. For the lead, Arke Morales gives Fcba Blizzards a 2-point lead. Tan ties it right back with a 2-pointer. That was with the intensity. Tan pull up, short. Pascual gets the lead for Fcba Blizzards of Japet David. Handoff to Butron. A miss there. Loose ball. What hustle there for Daniel Season. Diving on the floor just to get to that basketball. The bench. The Butron for the win. And both players are on the floor. Hopefully they're okay. Morales is grimacing in pain. Blizzards. Butron needs to make both to win the ball game. For the win. 1-on-1 king. Butron, nothing but net. And as Agent Lee celebrates the victory, congratulations.